Hey guys, welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp, and this is actually an impromptu video because I am actually going to Party City. They just called me and told me that they are having a going out of business sale, and they had tons of Halloween stuff on sale. So let's go, come shop with me. Let's see what we could get. They got 70% off. The costume 70% off. So they're $20. You could pay $6 for them. Okay, let's see what we got. 15. I think that was this Foxy First Mate. I think that was this. $15. So this is $4.65. And what size is it? It's adult large, 10 to 12. Oh, this stuff is 60% off. I want them cups and stuff up there. I need that. Yes, I need that stuff from up there. I need them to bring that down. Because I don't care what I eat off of. My plates, Paw Patrol, all kinds of stuff. This store is going out of business. Oh God, my nose is running drastically up in here. $2 or something. Let me see. Okay, so these is $1.20. That's still a lot for these little cheap plates. Okay, so I'm gonna take y'all on a tour. See what's going on. It's out of business. This a Ninja. Mikey birthday in October. Yes, I'm gonna have to start stacking up for him. I'm definitely getting ready to. Ninja mask. I wonder how that work. He probably would like cars though. And I see the cars banners ain't here too much. That's Transformers. So he'll be 7. So let's see what he'll go to. Oh, it probably like that. Look at that. Oh, these cups is $1.99. So if they're they little ice cream, cause that's cute. They like little bowls. So let me see. These are $1.99. So they 80 cents. Now this is cute, cause you can use these for regular bowls. This right here, you could use them. So I might be thinking about getting up. Oh, I'm definitely getting ready to get me some wrapping paper. Okay, like all your Christmas wrapping paper, guys, you can get rid of all of that. If you got to get the price of it, see what it is. Okay, gift wrap only is 40% off. That's it. But that's still a good deal. Let me go, guys. I am really big on like Halloween decorations, and I also have a cousin she does a Halloween party every year at her house. So I'm gonna call her and tell her to get here, and then we're getting ready to get it in. I'm gonna make sure y'all got a good tour though. That's for sure. 70% off of all of this. I do not want to be a poop mask. I'm sorry. I don't want to be one. Okay, but here's the turtles. Oh my goodness. The Avengers, the turtles. Here, this is a turtle jacket, I think. Yeah, that's just a turtle jacket hoodie right there. I don't see a price on it though. Long sleeve dress. No, that's a dress. That's a turtle dress. It's $12. So if that's $15, so $4.65 for that shirt. Now what is this? Oh, low. This is a corset. A bustier. $9.99. Yeah, you know I'm getting that. And I'm getting a turtle bustier. That'd be a hot turtle, mama. I want my kids to be turtles. And this is 6. Teenage men. So that will be $2.10. I'm getting a whole outfit for myself. Now y'all see what I say. The turtle leg warmers, 7. So these $2.40. Okay. Let me see. And I want my boys to be turtles. I need leg warmers and socks. Okay. The necklaces. I'm gonna get them back. Okay. Let me see. So, let me see. What is this? What is that? Oh, it's just a turtle shirt. They are turtles, but I think I get all of them. They all getting turtles. So these t-shirts are $5. Witch and famous. They $5. I'm gonna get ready to, and so that means they. Is this 70% off? Yeah. Okay. Okay. These $2 or something. $7.99. They two. That's okay.
Yeah, they like.
Girl, I know. That's what I told my daughter. Why you call me? Oh, they got a scarf. I want that. $9. $3. That is so cute. Okay, so guys, I grabbed that. All the Christmas stuff is 70% off also. So if you're gonna have cookie bakes, any of that, grab this stuff now. I already know I done went overboard with the stuff. I already know that. But that's okay. I mean, we got like tons of stuff. How much is this? Let me see, it say
Y'all getting in the water?
Rudolph.
I'm not getting in the water. I'm gonna just keep this on. I got on like some look. Yeah, I ain't getting in the water.
Okay, so that's cute right there. Let me see. I don't know how much that is. Leggings $9.99. Not like that. I gotta have me a whole Christmas outfit in here for $3. I'm gonna need a large because, honey, I know these big old legs ain't fitting in no small medium. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, guys, the wedding stuff 80% off. All of y'all that's invite me to y'all wedding, come on and come get y'all stuff. Party City, 80% off wedding, and I do expect an invitation. My niece getting married in, when she get married? April. April. Danielle, congratulations. Come on, sweetie, come get your wedding stuff. Look, guys, they got brides hats, everything for the bride, and it's 80% off. Y'all gotta be kidding me if y'all ain't in here grabbing this stuff. But this Party City, I don't know if it's a Party City everywhere, but this is enough.
Oh, look at this hat.
I hope
how her hair gonna be.
At this point, let me see. Hold it up. Let me see it.
But I don't know how her hair gonna be.
Wait, I'm up too close. Okay. That's gonna be cute.
Right? I don't know how.
Oh, that's cute. You gotta call Dan so she can get hold to all of this.
I'm gonna get her a headband. That's easier.
There's more bride to be stuff up there. Oh wow. Okay, good. Now we on Halloween stuff.
Yeah. So.
Tell her where we at.
I'm just gonna throw the sundress. I'm not getting the water. Nothing. Even though they do got like a warm water lake, I'm like, no.
Okay, that's that owl. I'm trying to see if I need anything else.
No, I'm just gonna
Oh, that is so pretty. All you need is love and hot cocoa, baby. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm grabbing some gifts, some labels, and cards. Okay, so I need a couple of label packs. Snows. Those are snowman tags. And I like the old-fashioned snowman tags. Okay. Guys, I am spending like, oh my God, I got to slip this in the house some type of way. And then tell my husband it was been in the basement. So he'll watch my video and say, no. So now we are like down the party aisle. I mean, if you have kids that's getting ready to have parties, which I have 3. I got one in October, one in November, and one in February. Y'all know I gotta rack up on party stuff. Okay, guys, I just got an idea for Halloween. I want all these buckets going around my fence with candles in them. And they 99 cents. So if they send, oh, they 30 cents a bucket. I'm getting ready to rack up on them. So, like, I'm thinking about decorating for Halloween, Christmas, all at one time. They going all the way around the fence. There you go. And then we decorate a lot for Christmas. For Halloween, we do a lot of decorating. And then I won't enter, if you dare, two of these signs. No, I'm gonna get one. And let's see. So like literally glass. I don't even want to see the price of this stuff, but I will definitely let you all know the price of it. Okay. They even have Easter stuff on sale. Now y'all know, whoever catering got some kind of business, y'all about to get this stuff. I'm telling you, get it, get it, get it. This is for everything. Party City going out of business. St. Patrick's Day. Come on, my Irish people. Grab this stuff. Grab it, grab it, grab it. Grab it while you can. Summer goods. Summer stuff. I mean, like hats and gloves. You cannot beat this stuff. Okay. Okay, yeah, so I see the brooms. I'm gonna grab a couple of these brooms. What's that one? That's a pretty broom. But I'm gonna grab a couple, at least 3 of these. Okay. And stand them up in my yard. So we're gonna get that. Now guys, I am going to the checkout, and this is my buggy, because I'm not gonna be able to go through all of this. But that's my buggy, guys. And I think I've covered all the holidays that I want to cover. Easter, I'm not a big fan of. Like, I got those giant eggs from Hobby Lobby, so I'm good with those. And then I can put eggs on my tree. And they got some big spiders. I don't feel like getting those. But, what's this? Is this called Snakes and Ladders? And that's a,
It's only $2.40. Why these was $2.40?